Hi everyone, Bobby Witt with Bookkeeping Confidential here with you today. We are a full-service bookkeeping firm here to help you bring profit to your business and eliminate the time and burden of bookkeeping from you. I want to talk about a sub-account today. Like if you have a credit card and your employee has a credit card and you want to keep track of the two different activities, let's go to your chart of accounts. There's already a credit card account set up in our sample data. Right here, I'm going to use the Visa, so I'm going to set up a sub-account for this Visa. I'm going to go to New, and it is a credit card. Leave that as credit, the detail type, leave it as credit card. And you can either put the person's name or just employee credit card. And then this is the fun part. You're going to sub-account it. You go find that Visa. You're going to save and close. Now you can see here, there's the main Visa card in your chart of accounts, and then there's the employee credit card. So you can go to the register. And if you automatically do the bank feed, the bank is still going to feed from the main card, and then when you process the transactions, you're going to point those transactions to this card. So we're going to add a credit card expense. Let's do Bob's Burger Joint, meals. Okay, let's do $22.50. All right, there. Now you can see. Go back to your chart of accounts. On the Visa. There you go. See, it still went to the main card because that's the card it's on, but you can also see that's the employee portion of it. All right, if you have any questions about that, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.